continue our exploration from the point where we left off. So let's continue our exploration. But before continue, I'm telling you topic for today video: using and drilling through hierarchical maps. So guys, we left with tree map showing sales by country. First, we just change the name, and it's really simple. We just drag and drop profit to values, and for that delete the sales and just go to the profit. Again, drag and drop profit to the values. So it's really simple. Sum of profit by country, it's changed. So there is one little and to type in this filter pane, and it's previously had filters specifying that it has only top 10, that is top 10 countries by sales. So we will continue to have top 10 country. Just so to fixing it, what we will do, we will just drag and drop this profit here. Now we have only top 10 countries by profit. Once we are ready, just go there. Yes, here. What we are doing here, we are having sum of sales. Now Gmap is for profit. Then what we are going to do, profit here. First remove the field and no, advanced filtering, no profit. Remove filter. By value will be profit here. Then so by value property accept only one field. Uh, so you have to delete it if you want to put here another value. After apply filter, we can see we will have a updated tree map. Now we have a much more diverse color range and countries. Like we have Australia new added here. We have Salvador here. Now which has profit minimum Salvador, and maximum profit has obviously United States. So this is how we can change the view, and this is the country China. Now we just drag and drop new fields to our tree map. We just drag and drop category field to the visualization pane. Where is the category? We just drag and drop category by clicking here. So doing so splits the rectangle into three sub rectangles, and that's because we have three categories: technology, office supplies, and furniture. You can see in United States furniture has less sales as compared to technology and office supply, and similarly in China, similarly in France, we can see office supply is more in France. In United Kingdom technology is more there, and even in Australia technology is more. In Germany too technology is much. In Mexico, even technology more than 50%. So this tree map showing a nice view of profit by country and category. But as we hover over these rectangles, we can see there is no geographical pattern to the countries in tree map. So at this point, we might decide that we might be interested in aggregating countries in the same geographical region. And it turns out that there is a field in our data set which is market. this one. We didn't use till now. That enable to do so. So this field is a market field which may have market of European Union, US. If we go to the explore and we click here on three buttons, it will open a contacts menu. You are already familiar with this. This contacts menu has various interesting options. Check, select, create hierarchy, new measure, new column. If you want to add new quick measure, rename, hide, view hidden, collapse, expand, new group, add to filters, add to drill through, add to top and by value. So currently we are going with create hierarchy, which is the second or third uh, up by the top. So we are selecting it. In field explorer, we continue to have market field here, and we are having one more field which is market hierarchy. So this have hierarchy of fields. At this point, this have only one field, that is, if we click here, we can see that is market. We are going to change it by adding country, state, city. Let's do that. For that, we are just going to country and what we'll do that for country, we just click here and context menu open, and we will go to the option add to hierarchy. If we go there, it will open the menus of already created hierarchy, which may be uh, up to n numbers, but here is only one, and I will select that one, market hierarchy. After that, yes, we repeat the same process for state and city. So state is here, but where is the state? Yes, three dots, add to hierarchy and market hierarchy. After that, we will go to the city. There is a city, we can see. Go here, add to hierarchy and market hierarchy. So by the end of this process, the market hierarchy field may have four values: market, country, state and city. Yes, they have four sub levels. Now we are ready to make use of this market hierarchy in our tree map. Let's drag and drop this to the here in category. This already have country there. First, just delete that. After deleting it, we can see there is a change in tree map. It's only have three categories: technology, furniture and office supply. Obviously it will change, but as we drag and drop this market hierarchy here, you can see that you may be surprised where our remaining fields are. So we still have filter in place, and that filter restricted remap to include only top 10 countries by profit. So first we will go to there and we just clear filter. So as we remove filter, as we go to the filter pane and delete it, we can back to having country here. We are back to having country all, city all, market all, state all. And now if we look at remap, it will include all the region like APEC, EU, US, Latin, Africa, EMFA and Canada. So let's click on drill down mode by clicking on downward pointing arrow. First close it and then By clicking here, now drill down mode is open. So it is enable, and if we click on any block, title will change of uh, this view. Sum of profit by market and category. Now, if I am going to, let's click here, profit by market and country in United States. You can see there are three category: technology, office supply, and furniture. If drill up, so uh, now I'm going with yes, yes, Africa. You can see sum of profit by country, state, and category. One more time I've clicked. So state, city, and category. See, now it's by sum of profit by market, country, and its state, not city. But if we go one, sorry, you can see things changing. So guys, see, and topic also changing. See, now let's see one more time. If we explore Canada, drill down mode is on Canada. See, Canada, state, city, and category. Okay, if we click here, it will go to the one point above. Canada state, it's showing it, not showing city. And if we click again, it will show by category only, three categories. If we go, see, it's a normal. We were at. So we can explore these drill down feature infinitely. But till now we are having a good hands-on. So we are ending here our demo, and we are using a same data set, global data store, global superstore, this one from last few videos. So this is the already attached in previous videos. You can download it and can save it in your system for use and for practice. Okay, so you can have some more experiment with tree map whenever you will have time, and with drill down feature when you where you feel you are weak, you can practice with it, and you can even ask questions which you really want to ask. So in our next demo we will add some more powerful capabilities to here in our Power BI. We will see some more things of. So I'm ending my demo here. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.